In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Crypto.com free debit card, the Midnight Blue CRO debit card. This card gives you a great way to manage your cryptocurrency while making real-world purchases. It's the perfect option if you're just starting your journey into the world of digital currencies. To begin with, let's head over to the Crypto.com app. This secure platform allows you to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 400 other altcoins. Once you're there, get yourself comfortable with the interface. A quick tip. Take your time to explore the different sections if you're new to the app. Familiarity makes navigating through the app much easier. Now that you're all set up, the next step is to add your Midnight Blue card to your account. Adding your card is a straightforward process. Simply head over to the card section and follow the prompts to link your Midnight Blue card. If you haven't got one yet, don't worry. You can apply for it through the app with only a few basic details. Your card will be linked, allowing for future transactions, all while keeping your account secure with advanced encryption. Once your card is linked, you'll want to click on it to explore its features. This step is essential as it allows you to understand the available functions and settings. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the user interface and see what options are available for managing your card. Understanding these options will help you use your card more efficiently and also prevent any unnecessary errors down the road. Next up, it's time to top up your card. The Midnight Blue card is a prepaid Visa card. This means you need to have funds available on it before use. But don't worry, topping up is simple and can be done directly through the Crypto.com app. To do so, access the top up feature and choose one of three funding sources: your crypto wallet, cash account, or any linked credit or debit card. Remember, this card doesn't offer ongoing rewards or cashback benefits like some premium cards do. However, it's an excellent choice for a straightforward and cost-effective entry into using cryptocurrency for daily transactions. That's all for today. We've walked through setting up your Midnight Blue debit card and getting it ready for use. With these steps complete, you're now equipped to make purchases wherever Visa is accepted, all while managing your budget through the app. Remember, using your Midnight Blue card wisely can help bridge the gap between digital currencies and everyday expenses. Thanks for watching, and happy transacting.